Hey, today we're going to be working on the Bishop, and we're going to be putting an AC compressor on it and an evaporator core. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to check, see if it'll focus here, and I've already done this, but just for observation, I'm sticking the Schrader valve in and making sure there's no pressure in there. The reason I know I can do that is because when I took that HVAC case off right there, the whole evaporator core was green, and I put a belt on this one time and it was squeaking really bad, maybe because it was empty, maybe because it didn't have any oil. Either way, I'm replacing them both, and then we're gonna top it off and check for leaks. So the first thing we're gonna do, now that we know that there is no Freon in the vehicle, is I'm gonna take these 10 mils out. They're not 3/8, they're a 10 millimeter bolt. And then I'm gonna take that bolt out, and then there's this one here, and then there's one here, and then there was supposed to be one there, and then one right above this one. And those two back ones are not in there, so I just have to take out 1, 2, and then 3 bolts, and then these 4 bolts, and then take these lines off, flip the lines out of the way, and then this should come off. So this is where I'm gonna stop today. I put the AC compressor on, and I found that this line here, see if I can move the camera a little bit, if you can see, moves. So I know that that's going to leak, so I don't really have to try to find that, and I do not have a AC compressor belt here with me, so once I get the line on, I'll go ahead and then stab that evaporator core in, and I may end up getting the suction line and the dryer there as well with the evaporator core, and I think it'll run me about $100 to get all 3 of those parts, which is not too bad. And then we'll have nice cold AC, and I will do another video on doing the lines and that evaporator core here soon. I am partially monetized at the moment, but I am not completely. So if we don't get those super thanks in, it will be several months. I will do it regardless, because this is what I am passionate about. This is what I want to do. I want to get this truck up and running. I want to have the hot rod, before we can't do this anymore, guys. So you guys have a great weekend. Happy 4th of July, and spend time with your family. Have a good day.